Hello, welcome to another episode of Question of the Week. This week's question comes from TJ Tack. Have you had any genetic tests done? Could that provide any additional information about your medical condition? Thank you so much for your questions. I've had some genetic testing done. It has provided some insight into my medical conditions. However, I have not pursued genetic testing to its fullest because there are many limitations, such as what do you do with the information you receive? If you have a genetic mutation, what does that mean? A very dear friend of mine had extensive genetic testing done. Researchers were able to find the specific gene which was causing her mitochondrial disease. The woman's family was tested. It was found her sister and mother also had the gene. My friend passed away from complications from mitochondrial disease while her sister and mother remained healthy. So one can speculate if all three have the gene, why was only my friend afflicted with the medical condition? The answer is, we do not know. The main medical condition, which seems to cause many of my health issues, is an illness called mitochondrial disease. Mitochondria are tiny specialized compartments located within our cells, which produce more than 90% of the energy needed to sustain life within our body. Mitochondrial disease occurs when the mitochondria in our cells do not function properly. If enough mitochondria are affected in many cells within an organ, the organ system may begin to fail. The lungs, heart, brain, and muscles are often the organs most affected by mitochondrial disease because they require large amounts of energy. Since there is no cure for mitochondrial disease, the most important thing I can do is control what goes into my body. I take supplements to help with energy production. I eat organic food and mostly fruits and vegetables. Additionally, I've made lifestyle changes to reduce the stress in my life. Since genetic testing will not change the course of my medical condition, I've chosen to have very little genetic testing done. If you'd like to learn more about mitochondrial disease, please see the video, Mitochondrial Disease Awareness. If you wish to view a video on how mitochondrial disease affects my daily life, please see the video, A Day in My Life with Mitochondrial Disease. Thank you so much for your question. And remember, if you have a question, you can leave it in the comments below this video or submit it to me via Facebook, MeWe, or email. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a great day and a wonderful week. Bye-bye.